Hello lovelies and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making a resin cuff bracelet. I purchased this mold at Hobby Lobby. I'll have to look up the price, and when I find that, I'll insert that information right here. That being said, a lot of people have talked about how you can find a lot of molds and resin crafts and basically a lot of stuff on AliExpress for way cheaper. So I actually checked them out and I kind of lost my mind and I bought a lot of stuff. And so when that does come in, you know, in a month, I will go ahead and do a haul video for you guys. Hopefully you want to see that. So let me know, comment below if that's something you're interested in seeing. But I'm very excited, but that's a month away or so. But for now, we have our sweet Hobby Lobby cuff. So I'm thinking about pouring this in 2 layers. You have to pour it obviously from the top here. So this is how it sits. Here's the part where your wrist goes in there. What I want to do is pour halfway, just because I think it'll be an interesting design choice. I could make it, you know, one whole design, but I want to do halfsies. So I'm going to pour it halfway. I think I'm going to do maybe some mica. And then the other half, I'm going to do just clear resin with some florals and some pretty cool resin foil inserts that I got from shop on Etsy. So if you want to see me make a cuff bracelet using mica and foil inserts and some florals, then please keep watching. So this is my thought process. The resin I'm going to use for this project is Counterculture DIY Artist Resin. The bracelet obviously needs to be sturdy. It needs to be stiff. Your body heat is going to kind of warm this up. And if I were to use a casting resin, I don't think that it would hold up. It would just kind of bend and be malleable, and we don't want that in a bracelet, right? So I'm going to use the artist resin because that is a harder curing resin. I like the idea of splitting this bracelet in half. So I'm going to do one pour. And since you pour from the top, I'll pour in that bottom half. And I think in that bottom half, I'm going to do a mica pigment. This is called Copper Gold. So for the top layer, we're going to get a little crazy. I'm not going to mix the resin with anything. We're going to keep it clear. And I'm going to add in some beautiful foil inserts that I purchased off of Etsy. Look at these. Are they not beautiful? Sorry, my ring light's just shining bright there. I actually heard of this brand through Artsy Madwoman, who she has an amazing channel on YouTube, which you should definitely check out. She is so talented. Now, I have the white piece of paper so you can see them. They are just foil on clear background. And I got these lovely guys from Soul Cellar on Etsy. You should check them out. They have some really amazing designs. And look how shiny they are. They're just bam, bam, bam. Look at that. Blinding. Ah. I'm gonna cut out some of those, put them in, and then I also thought it would be lovely to mix them with real dried flowers. I haven't decided which flowers I want to do. What I thought could be very pretty is if I use some of the real green, the greenery. Oh gosh, don't let me dump these, that would be unfortunate. So some of the greens of these real pressed flowers, and then pair that with some of the actual foil flowers. I thought that would be kind of neat. So let's get busy. You guys know what time it is? It's demolding time. So I tried to loosen this up already just because I have no idea how I'm gonna get this out of here. I've never demolded something that's kind of this complex. When you were younger, did you ever have like a goldfish and you had just like a little bowl, which is totally terrible, but you had your bowl and you had orange rocks on the bottom, you had your fish swimming around, you had those fake plants. Does this not look like that just a little bit? Does not remind you of that? It does in my brain. And so it's either gonna be a super cute cuff bracelet or a goldfish-esque diorama. It's a very versatile piece. All right, let's do this. So yeah, I try to like loosen up these edges, but I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I just pull it like this here makes this more difficult. What if if I push it from here? Okay, I'll just pull this back. This is difficult. Oh, okay. Oh, it's like a sneak peek. It looks so good. This is a little bit oranger than I thought it was gonna be, truth be told, but I like it. Oh, and I feel like my crystals fell because I had them kind of at a V, but they sort of sank a little bit, but that's okay, they still look good. All right, let's get this the rest of the way off. Oh, I'm totally bending it because it hasn't been cured for a super long time. Eep! Oh no! Well, I done bent it up. Okay, let's see if we can, ooh, yeah, let's take a look here. Should I put it on? Oh, it fits, that's amazing. So I'll kind of rotate it around. Oh, it did turn out pretty stinking cool. There are those crystals. I love how that foil just catches the light. It's like, bam! And then some more leaves. I think these leaves, that floated to the top a little bit. And then that guy right there. This turned out super cute. I'm actually glad that I took it out now when I can still mold it, because I was wondering if this was gonna fit my wrist, right? Because I have like tree trunks of wrists. Like this is substantial. This, you know, this is a meaty wrist. I could like fight somebody if there was like a wrist fight where you just fight with your wrists, I'd take people down. This way I can kind of mold it to fit, and then when I take it off, I know how wide this needs to be able to get it back on. If you let it cure completely and it's too small, you're never getting, like, it was kind of more like this. I'll never get my wrist in that. Please, come on, let's be real. Not gonna happen. But now I can kind of, you know, just loosen it up a little bit here, and no one will know otherwise. Oh, it looks cool from the other side. So the backing of the foil is black, and that looks pretty cool on the other side as well. So let me rotate this around. I think the only thing that I would change is that this copper gold, it is what it said. It said it was copper. I should have found something that was a little more rose gold, or maybe add a little pink to it so that it like looks more, no, I take it back. I kind of like the contrast. There are quite a few bubbles in it, but there's really no way to pop them. You can only put your heat gun at the top, and that's it, you can't get down below. Maybe I should have made sure the resin was a little bit more bubble free before putting it in there, but I don't think it detracts from it at all. I'm putting it back on. I think it's cute. I like it. I don't like my wrists. But I like the bracelet. I think it turned out nice, so. So yes, I will definitely do close-ups, but I think it was a success. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I loved making it. Seriously, I can't get enough of resin. It's amazing. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss any new content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. I feel like an ear cuff. No, not at all. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I say we. Why do I always say we? I don't know, I can't help it. I feel like we're a team, we're a community. I also, oh my gosh, my dogs, you think we have intruders? No one's coming, you silly bears. Okay, stop being mesmerized. These cups are amazing. I love how they keep stuff super hot. It's so good. Especially because I'm cold, because I'm not wearing pants. You know, I didn't have time to fully dress. I put on a shirt though, so, I mean, you know. This is the bracelet they give you if you're in trouble. They're like handcuffs, but this one's fashionable. Okay, I'm starting over. Even though the mold was broke when I was created, let's be real. And you should be thankful for that because there shouldn't be too many more of this running around because it would be just a conundrum. It'd be pandemonium. But it'd be fun. Oh, you shouldn't curse, Steph. Let's start over. What's this thing called? Oh my gosh, a mold. It's a mold. Of course it's a mold. What else would it be? Brain freeze. I guess it's not a brain freeze either. I don't even know the right terminology for saying that I'm ridiculous. Okay. I purchased, why do I make that noise? It's like I'm part chipmunk or something. I make that noise. I do it consistently. What is that? Why do I do it? I'm so sorry. And I know it's annoying and I apologize. And I try to edit out most of them, but I don't think I get them all. And I am sorry for that. But you know your girl's part chipmunk, so you gotta love it. You gotta love the rodents. I just described myself as a rodent. Anyway, wow. I feel like Wonder Woman. Like she has those like things, you know? I just have one because that's all I need because like I'm just wonderful enough as it is. But like, bam! Superpowers. I shouldn't have said that because I think I can do it. But you know, I'm just gonna shut up.